Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my Yarnable subscription, and I thought I'd share it with you. So, we have, I don't want to drop it all. So the first thing I have to show you is a stitch marker, and it is a slice of cheese. Cheese, please. Trying to get it to come in. There it is. So we got a piece of cheese as a stitch marker. Let me get my glasses. Let's see what it says. Did you know charcuterie is just a fancy word for cured meat? The word derives from French origins in the 15th century, when people used every last bit of meat and left nothing to waste. That's interesting. And now I'm going to show you the yarn. I know, I'm showing you the yarn before the extra. And here is the yarn. And I'm going to slide that up. There it is. Isn't that gorgeous? This is called Life is Gouda. It is on DK weight. It is 85% merino, 15% nylon, and there are 246 yards or 100 grams. And that is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. I love that. Absolutely beautiful. And of course, when you get Yarnable, your yarn always comes in a dust bag. So that's perfect. And then we got a sweet extra. It came like this. I can't trust people who don't like cheese. Oh, I agree. And inside the box is these cheese knives. So it says cheese, wine, everything's fine. And it's rather weighty, and these are like super nice. So it's cheese, wine, and everything's fine. So we got a really nice set of knives for cutting our cheese. Got the cheese! So this is great. We got the cheese knives, we got the gorgeous yarn, we got our stitch marker, and of course we always get a scratch off code for the yarn store. So this is really great this month. Absolutely love it. So what'd you think of the yarn, guys? What'd you think of the cheese knives? So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.